giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Nelsiwe Takona Mkwanda. I am 26 years old. I am from the Kingdom of Eswatini under Manzini region. I am a teacher by profession, and my qualifications were obtained at Ahmad University College, Ngwenya, Campus A, Swatini, and I have had a one-year teaching experience as a volunteer at Digo Education School, which is an English medium school. I am a very passionate person, self-motivated, and I have strong communication skills. And I also adapt to change very quickly. Another thing about me is that I love teaching. As I took this course, I had the best time ever because I enjoy teaching and I love being around kids. More than being a teacher, I can mentor, parent, and guide learners as they navigate life. I love kids. And I took this course because I saw the passion of teaching in me. And then, Takona loves reading. I enjoy reading a lot. I read a lot of books. And also I listen to music. My short-term goal is to get a job in your country as an English teacher. And my long-term goal is to further my studies until I hold a master's degree in education. I really love teaching, and I hope that you consider my application because I believe this is the place and this is the moment I have always been wanting and waiting for. Thank you very much.